how to change your Android default browser. Hello everybody and welcome back. If you're looking how to change up your browser on your Android device, for example, if Chrome is a default browser and you want to switch it up with anything else, you may follow up these quick steps for that. So we can access our settings for that of our device, and once we access the settings of our device, what we need to do is basically look out for the applications option, apps, applications, and tap on it and open it up on our screen. Now, once we open it up, what we can find is directly look out for this option called choose default apps. So tap on it, and once we tap on it, here we'll be finding different options available. Now within here, what we need to do is basically select the very first option called browser app, tap on it, and there we can just go over and select up another application as our default browser. Right now I only have two, so it's giving me two options, but if you have more than one, such as Samsung Internet, any other browser available, you can select those and give the necessary permissions, and that application will give access to the internet and display the links that you tap directly. You can just go over and do so, and that would probably do it up. You can just go over and select it, and that works out for you. If not this, you can hold up the default browser instead that you would like to change to. Tap on the info, and within there we can just go over and select this option of defaults, and there we can just go over and switch it up, and that should also work out for you. And that's it. Now these two are probably the method you can follow up to switch up your default browser on your device. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.